Hi, welcome to another SMC's how-to video. Today we'll guide you through the process of replacing an SJ series valve on an existing manifold. Let's start. To begin, fully loosen the two DIN rail clamp screws on the U-side end block of the manifold. Next, let's say we want to replace the valve at station 4. We need to unlock the valves located in the 4th and 5th position, sliding the valve lock switch fully to the free position. Gently slide the U-side assembly away from the D-side assembly along the DIN rail. Then, gently separate the two neighboring valves and remove the valve at station 4. Now, a new valve can be hooked onto the exposed DIN rail. Gently push down on the valve until it's clipped into place. Next, firmly push the separated sides of the manifold together again before locking any free lock switches. Finally, tighten the previously loosened DIN rail clamp screws on the U-side end block of the manifold. And that's it. Take a look at our other SMC's how-to videos to see how easy it is to work with SMC's products.